can't believe it's finally here.
You've been eating the gummies?
No, they're not in the box.
What box?
This box.
Is it for me?
No, that's the best part. It's for me.
Fine.
You know, you get everything.
Right,
Every now and then I want something.
Open it.
So, okay,
Wait,
okay,
is it filament?
It's filament.
Oh.
It's got a couple other things in it, but this is from New Makers.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm really
I know
excited.
them.
My friend Paul over there sent this to us. Now, what's really cool is some of this is very similar to the new box subscription that they have.
Okay.
And so it's a really neat subscription. They have this
I like filament
character.
subscriptions.
No, I know you do. I know you do. That's one of the reasons I wanted to show it to you. They have this character called Princey. It's a little bitty dragon. And so I've got all these different, look at that multicolored dragon right there. Look at that. Isn't that pretty?
Oh, that's actually
I
cute.
think that's awesome.
Oh, that's like,
really
is that
cute.
holiday
I know, it's
season?
almost kind of a candy cane kind of thing. And then, so these are a bunch of different recent colors that have been in the new box.
In the new box.
Right. And what's cool about the new box colors is that they're kind of a preview of what New Makers is about to release.
So are they new colors? Are they new makers?
They are new Makers
New
colors.
Makers.
Right. And so
Okay.
you basically get two of the new colors and then one of their general colors when you get a New Makers box.
How often is
So,
the subscription?
Once a month.
Really? So
Yeah.
they do two new colors and a third color. And is the third new color from their current stock?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a current, just standard color.
So wait a minute. So
No.
you're getting two. Wait, hold on. But you're getting two filament plus then. So what's the price?
I don't remember.
It's $39.99.
$39.90. Look at her.
You're
She knows
acting like I
everything.
haven't looked
She's
this
acting
up.
like she doesn't know.
No, but $39.99. I think it's $39.95 something. Anyway,
Okay.
but that is for 3 spools of filament and 2 of them being brand new. Is I think it's like $13 and something a piece. That's a really good deal.
Right. No, it is.
It's a very good deal.
It is.
And apparently you get stuff too.
You get stuff. So they've also started writing these stories about Princey the Dragon. It's pretty cool. Generally, you have a QR code you scan on the box. They sent that to me printed, which they know I'm
okay.
old school. I like things printed
Oh, I
out.
see. So you get the box, you get it into printed out, which is great because if you have children that you're trying to get into 3D printing, then
Yeah.
yeah.
That's
Or children
perfect.
that are into 3D printing, because a lot of times, especially if they're young and they aren't reading or speaking yet, this is something that's a lot of fun.
Yeah, exactly. So to the colors real quick. We'll show you the two colors that are here. So this is their Thanos purple. I mean, come on, Thanos. We all know what Thanos purple is, right? Let's open this up.
Oh no, that's
Isn't that beautiful?
well,
Isn't that
so I mean it looks
I'm
like a
just
movie
thinking.
reel, right? But
Doesn't
the
it, though?
thing that's nice is, yeah, these are good quality.
And-
This is thick mill plastic, right?
Yeah.
So that's something else that you want to look at. If you get, so it's in a resealable bag, great. I've gotten stuff that's in a resealable bag, but the bag's not very thick. And just because it's plastic does not mean that you won't have moisture permeate through it. So yeah, actually these are great because they are. Oh, and it has dots on them.
Dots on
Yeah,
it.
because usually I'm just like, rah, and then and then I'm like, I can't find the place to open it. Yeah.
Oh, you're
these
like
are
the
nice.
knife through the middle. I know
Well,
you.
no, I did. Oh, I do the knife through the middle. We used to get complaints about it all the time. Okay, so and I wanted to go. I have a lot of bags, but a lot of them were not resealable bags.
So here's the Thanos purple, and we'll do some B-roll shots of this.
Our
blah, blah, blah,
producer
blah, blah,
in
blah.
the back just was like, Thanos purple. I think he thought we were off topic.
It's okay. It's all cut up. I'm gonna be cutting the crap out of it. And so this is the Thanos purple. It's just a nice, got a good sheen to it. I like it. PLA plus.
I thought we were on a live stream personally.
So, yeah, we could be. We could be. 200 to 230.
It's a good color. That's a good color.
I like it.
I mean, it's so weird. There's so many colors, but there's some of them you look at them and you're just like, I like that purple.
Right.
Yeah, I like that purple.
Yeah.
Maybe
And then-
that's why Thanos chose it.
Maybe. Of course, I think he was born that way, wasn't he? Was he
Maybe that's
born
why Thanos was born that way. See, he was like Lady Gaga.
And then this is a red. This is, I didn't even read it. This is just an Imperial Red is what this is called. And I've
Imperial
seen
Red.
a lot of really nice prints from this.
I'm reading about it.
Do.
So it says printing guides. Do they have profiles for any of the slicers? Do you know?
I'm not sure. They might be in Orca. I'll have to look.
I don't know. I mean, I am the worst. I'm the worst at that. I'm just like default.
I know, right?
Go!
And so this
I
is
print hot usually, so.
so Imperial Red. Look at
Oh wait, those go so well together.
Exactly. Isn't that cool?
There's a level of what is it? Depthness. What do you call it? The intensity. It's very intense.
Yeah. So it's really nice.
Yeah,
It's
they
got
go well
just,
together.
Just really good. Even it's, I don't know. It's almost got purple in it, or blue. It's got that sheen to it that just makes it feel real nice.
So wait, where is? Do you have anything printed in either of those?
Well, so there is supposed to be something in here. I have not opened this up yet. But
well, it might not be safe for.
you're right. It might not be
family
safe.
safe.
It might not be family safe. So let's pull this one
It
out.
might be. It might be.
Oh,
I know it is.
no.
Oh, okay. And we were just talking about
We got a
this.
Hulk. So there's that Imperial Red right there. We got the Red Hulk. I guess that's coming out in the movie soon, right?
Yeah, that's nice.
That is really, really nice. Aim it at that camera over there. I
I'm
bet
gonna
that
aim it at
camera's
this
recording.
camera over here. Is it recording here?
There we go.
So it comes out with this shimmer in it almost. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, it looks very muscly too.
Yeah.
I mean, it
print
might be
came
the,
out
might
really
be the
nice.
model. Yeah, the print looks nice.
And then
I
always,
like his pants too.
Hulk always has ripped pants.
He's got
Always.
some nice pants.
Always. They always send candy.
Wait a
and everything
minute.
that
That's
they do.
Asian candy. Let me see what that is.
Asian candy.
Asian candy.
I don't know what it is. Can you read? Can you read Asian?
It's classic series. It says classic series, and then some shape of some melon. I don't know what that is.
Right. There's a few stickers in here as well, and so we've got stickers
Oh, that's
of Princey.
That's Princey.
Yep. And so this will actually go on my case. You know my little case that I carry
Yes,
around
that you
with
carry
me
around.
everywhere.
If you've ever been to an event and you see Asylum, he has, and you have stickers. You have to give him one because he will put it on his 3D printing travel
Yep,
case.
definitely will.
Until it's full, and then you'll probably just keep layering. The old ones will get
Maybe,
layered over.
maybe.
So
Who
Princey
knows?
is cute. So where did Princey get Princey's name?
So Princey was originally created by a designer. In your.
The Dragon's Den? No, not the Dragon's Den.
Let me look that up.
Princey. It doesn't say. Oh, I feel bad.
It doesn't say there.
Guardians of the Filament Forge. That's great. That's such a good. Guardians
one.
of the Filament Forge.
Yeah.
Chapter 1, The Flickering Flames. The Threat to the Filament Forge. Chapter 2, The Heart of Spool Mountain. Gathering of the Flame Stones. This is good. Okay, go ahead.
So Princey started out as the New Box mascot and has become kind of an overall brand mascot. So let's see what we've said. Patreon, designed by Dragon's Den. Okay, so yeah.
Oh, the Dragon's Den. Yeah.
So Princey started out as a New Box mascot and has become an overall brand mascot. And Jennifer from Dragon's Den, she's got a Patreon, by the way.
Yeah, Jennifer.
Yeah, I know. It's a really good one. Designed Princey in physical form. The initial illustrations were from a friend of Paul's.
Okay.
He designed it, and then Dragon's Den did the final model.
Okay, so I can see this is 2D. The tongue is like just out a little bit, and then there is like a chevron pattern on the front. And look, there it is for holiday.
Yeah, I know. I love the
yeah,
little side tongue.
this is very nicely done. Yeah, Jennifer has a really nice talent.
Yeah, she does.
I like her things.
Awesome. So that was everything in the box, but it was a lot of fun.
Okay, so now I just want to make
the
sure
shirt.
you've got a shirt here. I'm
I
assuming
did.
it looks
I
shirt-like.
did. I know. Look, and look who it's got on it. Princey.
The legend of Princey begins. So
Yes.
I want to make sure, because you've got a bunch of stuff here, and some of it you said, like for instance, this is a QR code and you would print out, and there's some other stuff. So does everyone get all of this, or are these models that are printed an example of some of the things you might get? We know we get 2 new filaments. We know we get a 3rd filament from the stock that is
Right.
missing from your box, I noticed.
Yes, I know.
But maybe you got, and then this was some
So,
examples.
This is not an
You'll get
exact.
stickers and you'll get candy. We know that.
Right. This is not an exact new box. This was a gift sent to me by Paul, which was
Okay.
really excited. I'm glad. I thank Paul very much for doing this. It means a lot. This print, he's only printed about 30 of those and handed 20 of those out apparently.
Oh, wow.
And so I feel special receiving that. So that was just an exciting gift as well. Now, as far as the filament, yes, these are some of the new colors that are just about to come out.
This is March 2025.
This is March, exactly.
2025.
And so these are coming out, and I love the colors. They're really, really
Yeah, they're
good.
good
So
colors.
you do get the filament you get the stickers.
Filament
you get
stickers,
some
candy, and there'll be
printed
some.
models.
You'll be something as a surprise.
Yeah, and then you get the story of whatever's happening with Princey.
And then every month, the story of Princey continues.
Yeah, yeah, and it's a pretty fun story. I've read it. It's pretty fun. It's an attempt for them to try and get kids involved, just like you were
Yeah.
saying, trying to get kids involved in 3D printing.
So this is something that carries on from beyond one print to the next.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like
Exactly.
it. I like
Exactly.
it. There's not a lot of companies that are doing things, filament companies, or in the 3D printing space that are doing things to engage children. So
Right.
I like that a lot.
Right.
I have children,
Oh.
but they've entered the teenage years and they think they're adults. Those of you who have teenagers know what I mean.
So y'all check out New Makers. Go over to newmakers.com. That's NUMAKERS.com. Check out all their filament. They've got some really awesome stuff over there. And check out the new box. You'll find a lot of what is here, and you'll get to know and see a lot of the filament before it actually comes out.
I will show you their name. It's right here on the spool, but you can't see it really well because it's in there. I love
B-roll it.
companies that have. You can't see that. Where is it? I love companies that have custom spools.
Yeah.
I just love it.